for this. So many heartaches, so many faces, so many dirty things you couldn't even believe. I would stand in line for this. There's always room in life for this.